Hi, I'm Julie from Thermo Kitchen, and today I'm sharing a tip on how you can culture yogurt on your benchtop. Once we have our yogurt ready and in pots, we need to create a warm environment for our yogurt to culture. To make your yogurt, you can use any one of my yogurt recipes, and I'll provide some links in the story below. So here I'm adding the hot water to the pre-warmed ThermoServer. The key to successful yogurt making is keeping the yogurt at a constant temperature for the 8 to 10 hours that it takes to ferment. Place the lids on the yogurt pots and then the lid on the ThermoServer. We need our yogurt in a warm environment, so if there's somewhere warm in the house that you can put the ThermoServer, then do that now. We'll come back to the ThermoServer in about 4 hours to check on the temperature internally. Once the temperature falls below body temperature, we need to top up with some more hot water. The yogurt will need to ferment at the ideal temperature for approximately 10 hours. It can stay on the bench for up to 24 hours and still be safe to consume. Thanks so much for joining me, and please remember to like and subscribe for more tips.